Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo guys notification setting, and today video title guys how to remove lock screen notification in iqoo. Friends, you don't want to show notification on lock screen, you want to remove notification from your lock screen. So friends, now let's see how to remove lock screen notification in iqoo. One by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone notification setting. After turn on your phone notification setting friends, you can check your app notification setting. You want to turn off any app notification, you can off, and you can on app notification in your iqoo mobile. And if you click your most recent option, click here all app setting, you can check your all application notification. Right click here friends, app notification will off, and again click here app notification will on. So friends, second option, if you click here notification history, you want to check. So friends, you can check your device notification history, and you don't want to use notification history setting, you can turn off notification history setting in iqoo mobile. So friends, scroll it and friends click here notification on lock screen setting. Show notification on lock screen, you can use hide notification show, but guys content will hide, don't show any notification. So friends, you don't want to show any notification on your lock screen, you want to remove your lock screen notification. So friends, click here and don't show any notification. Friends, you can check lock screen notification will remove. We don't have lock screen notification guys, so notification will remove, and your notification will not show on your lock screen. You can check your notification, swipe down here, you can check you have app notification. And friends, if you click here again, so you can use notification on your lock screen. Again notification will show. So like that friends, you can show and you can remove your lock screen notification in iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in iqoo mobile setting, you can ask me in comment section. Bye.